In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify store on phone. If you're on the go and want to manage your store without a computer, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap, how to find the right options, and what you can realistically customize from your mobile device. First, open the Shopify app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, grab it from your app store, then sign into your store. Once you're in, the app's home screen gives you a quick snapshot of your orders and activity so you can immediately see what's happening with your business. Next, access the main menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the bottom corner of the app. This menu is your hub. From here, you can jump to products, orders, customers, analytics, and more. If you ever feel lost, just return to this menu. It's the fastest way to navigate between sections on mobile. Now go to Settings. This is where you manage your general store options, such as billing, your plan, and store details like your store name, contact email, and legal information. Take a moment to review these sections so everything is accurate. Small details here, like your address or time zone, can affect shipping rates, invoices, and customer communications, so it's worth double checking. For design changes, head to Online Store, then Themes, and tap Customize. On some phones or versions of the app, the Customize button may not appear. If you don't see it, open your store in your mobile browser and switch to a desktop or browser mode to access the full theme editor. From there, you can adjust your header, homepage sections, colors, and typography, and preview changes before saving. Keep edits focused and test frequently so you maintain a clean, consistent look that loads well on mobile. You can also edit content directly from your phone. Update products by changing titles, descriptions, prices, inventory, and images. Refresh pages like your About or FAQ and tweak basic settings to keep everything current. Short, clear product descriptions and optimized images will make a big difference for shoppers browsing on smaller screens. As you go, remember to save your changes and refresh your storefront to see them live. Using the app and when needed, the browser mode for theme edits lets you manage and make basic customizations to your store on mobile. It's a practical way to keep your storefront updated, even when you're away from your desk. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.